Did before feel like we had a real DFR program, and we were fighting for inches, you know? Like we were buying our own gear, we were trying every flight ops program that was available to us. But once it got to the point where I just felt like we weren't getting the improvements I wanted, that's when I started looking around, and that's when I reached out to Aerodome. And it was funny, because the first day Aerodome came in, they came in with, I don't know, 10 guys. We were flying in an hour and a half. I don't know if it's the flight ops program, I don't know if it's the hardware, but the entire suite of services and products together. I think we started at 9, and by 1 o'clock, I knew we had made the right decision.
Before Aerodome got here, our drone first response program was, I would call it very hit and miss. And by that, I mean, we would go to launch the drone, and it might launch in 3 minutes, but there was also times when it would take 15 minutes to launch. And in this line of work, 15 minutes the call's over. Ever since the inception of Aerodome at this facility, that, you know, it's just been night and day. We're responding first almost, I would say 80+% of the time, we're on scene first.
Tried a lot of software, I've tried a lot of products, whether it's in the real-time space or the DFR space. And they all don't necessarily do what they say they're gonna do. And I was really happy to sign with Aerodome. This is it. This hit. They said they would do X, Y, and Z, and they've done that and some.
Working with Aerodome, we found that we have very common ground of where we want to go with the program, as well as the ability to communicate very effectively, very quickly. And it seems that we have a common goal on where we want to go with DFR, as the same as where Aerodome wants to take it.